I've been slowly upgrading the compressor cart. On this side I have the hose reel, or I guess a hose support. Then I made these toolboxes right here for my doweling jig and my cordless router. My parents made me this nice cover for the compressor out of an old tent, so it doesn't eat as much dust. Sanders at the bottom here, and underneath is the nail gun for the compressor. A few months ago I rested this piece of plywood on top, and it's been quite useful. I think I'll mount it permanently with hinges, so it opens up like this. I'll start by building an inner frame, because the sides of this cart aren't very heavy duty. The inner frame will be built with this piece of pine board. It's plain on one side, so I'll just make sure to keep the ugly side against this side where it's not going to be visible. For the hinges, I'm going to route it so they are inset and flush with the top of this piece. Well, it's a good thing it's going to be hidden, because that's an absolutely terrible job. The hinges came with very tiny screws, so I think I'm going to replace them with bigger ones. To make sure the lid doesn't go too far back and rip out the hinges, and to have it stay up, I'll install this friction lid support. Well, the camera fell asleep, while I was installing this little lid support, so I guess you won't know how to install it. Now this drops right in. And all I have to do is attach it from the bottom and adjust the lid support. Off camera, I added a round over on the outside edges. In the back, I added a relief. My bottom board here was bowed out a little bit and it was causing some rubbing. So I routed the top part and the bottom part, giving me a nice spot here so it can open properly. Now I'll give the top part a quick round over with the router. Here's the final result. The top came out pretty nice. There's still a little bit of paintbrush lines, but that's because I put a lot of polyurethane on there. I wanted to make sure it was pretty tough because shop grade plywood has a very thin top layer. Inside I'll keep mostly sanding supplies and little leftover pieces of wood. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.